Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to analyze a video with AI. Firstly, visit the Eden AI website and create an account. Now navigate to the video analysis section of the Eden AI platform. You'll typically find an option to upload a file or link to a cloud storage service like Google Drive. Upload your video to the platform. Depending on the video size, it may take some time for the video to complete. Eden AI offers different video analysis features depending on your needs. Select the appropriate tool like object detection, face detection, scene recognition, sentiment analysis, or speech to text. Once you've chosen the type of analysis you want to perform, click on Start Analysis button. The platform will process the video using AI models. Depending on the length of the video and the complexity of the analysis, this could take some time. Once the processing is complete, you will be able to view the results, including insights like object labels, emotion analysis, speech-to-text transcriptions, and sentiment scores for dialogue scenes. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.